I have attended Voyage last year as well, and I was really impressed, and that is the reason I am again here today.
Hearing all the speakers, what you make is that the seas are not going to be as calm as they were last year. So you are getting into choppy seas, but that's what you have to do as a good advisor. You need to get your client to navigate these and reach their life goals, which is our focus.
Some good takeaways on what could be happening in the future for us. It gave us a sense of comfort. And the presentation by Mahesh Patil was also very, very clear in what kind of sectors we need to be looking forward to and what kind of perspectives the fund is having towards its equity investments. That was a very useful, crisp presentation.
The knowledge that I have gained this time with respect to the discussion on how the US markets have been performing and the key effects of demonetization, how our industry has been going, I think it's been a better learning curve than last time because the effects have been played in well.
Risks to the equity markets are could be from the global front. We've seen the global markets are in a kind of a correction phase. Also, oil prices have recently moved up. They are touching $70. As we know, India imports bulk of its oil, and that's put some pressure on the current account deficit. So if oil prices were to move higher and cross $80, yeah, there would be some pressure on the rupee, and that could lead to some capital outflows. So I think oil could be one of the major risks to monitor at this point in time.
I'm quite bullish about the real estate market over the next 2 to 3 years. I thought 2017 was probably the worst possible year we can have with all those kind of whammies, whether it was demonetization, whether it was the GST, whether it was RERA. In markets like Bombay, we also saw the confusion with regards to the development plan 2034, construction ban because of the dumping ground. So all these kind of regulatory changes which happened in the market last year, I only feel things can look better.
This was my first voyage, and trust me, it was a fantastic experience, and I'm leaving with a lot of knowledge, a lot of insight, and I'm hoping I come again next year.